got another rat snake. How you doing, buddy? Oh, and there's a scorpion carrying its babies up here. What in the God's name? And a wasp just chilling. This is like a murder zone. What is happening? Ah! Crazy. All right.
You want the stick?
I'm just gonna lift him up. There he is.
There's a bucket right there.
I'm gonna catch him. What's up, buddy? Yeah, let's try that. Ooh, he's coming at me. Nice. Huh. Huh.
Use the stick.
Got him. Oh, he just puked up an egg.
Yep. He just ate it.
Oh, he just totally puked up an egg. He's coming at me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Let me hold the camera.
Yeah, hold the camera so I can catch him. I can't do this by one hand. Oh, man.
He bit you.
Just a little. Yeah, is this the same guy?
No, this one's smaller.
Yeah, he
That
is.
other one was bigger, way bigger.
Yeah, another rat snake. Nice. And look how he twitches his tail. He was faking a rattle. So he was imitating like he was a rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that little twitch to the tail?
Yep.
So they'll rustle that in the leaves as a way to scare off different predators and
People on
stuff.
prey. Mm-hmm.
Just puking up an egg. Tight. All right, I bagged the snake. You hear that? Hold on. You can hear like a rattle. Come on, do a rattle. Yeah. So he shakes his little tail, tries to sound like a rattler. We're gonna let him out now. All right, buddy. Yeah. There you go. Please don't come back. There's no need to come back. Those eggs aren't yours no more. Peace.